Hi there. Nice day, isn't it?
Yes, it's beautiful. Do you come here often?
Not really. It's my first time. You?
I come here sometimes to read or walk. It's peaceful.
That's nice. I'm John, by the way.
I'm Anna. Nice to meet you, John.
Nice to meet you too, Anna. Are you from around here?
No, I'm from Canada. I'm just visiting. What about you?
I'm from the US. I'm visiting too.
Oh, cool. Are you here for vacation?
Kind of. I'm here for a short study program.
That sounds interesting. What are you studying?
Business. It's a bit boring, though.
Haha, I see. I'm a teacher.
Really? What do you teach?
English. I love it.
That's awesome. I need to improve my English.
You're doing great already.
Thanks. Do you have any hobbies?
I love reading books. You?
Same. I read a lot of mystery novels.
I like history books.
Maybe you can recommend one to me sometime.
Sure, I'd be happy to.
Want to grab coffee later this week?
That would be nice. I'm free tomorrow afternoon.
Perfect. Let's meet here around 3.
Sounds good. See you then, John.
See you, Anna. It was really nice talking to you.